Welcome. In this bungalow design execution package, we will explore valuable insights and understand each scope of work. This comprehensive package provides detailed design and smooth execution for clients' residences. It includes zoning and site analysis, conceptual massing, rough sketches, final plans with precise measurements, elevation and section drawings, material specifications, a 3D view, and a complete working drawing set. From planning to execution, we ensure a seamless process for your dream home. Here is the scope of work of the bungalow design execution package with a sample project. If you have already reviewed the bungalow design development package, you can now refer to the highlighted additional scope of work in this package. Scope of Work Index. This slide serves as a helpful navigation tool, providing clickable links to various pages within the presentation. It ensures easy access to specific information for both you and your clients. Number 1. Professional Introduction. This slide is crucial for establishing your credibility and expertise. It introduces you the designer and highlights your designation and experience. By sharing your background, you build trust and confidence with your clients. Number 2. Requirement. This section outlines the specific needs, preferences, and expectations of your client regarding the services you provide. By clearly understanding their vision and goals for the project, you can tailor your design approach accordingly. Number 3. Site Analysis. In this slide, you assess the physical features, climate, access, circulation, and surroundings of the site. It helps you to understand the land's unique characteristics to inform the design process effectively and ensure that your design is functional, aesthetically pleasing, and harmonious with its environment. Number 4. Area Program. In this slide you will outline the specific functions and spatial requirements for a building or project. It will define the needed rooms and spaces, as well as their approximate sizes and distribution. It serves as a guide for you during the design process. Number 5. Form and Volume. In this slide, form refers to the shape and overall composition of a building, while volume refers to the three-dimensional mass and occupied space. As architects, we consider these elements to create visually appealing designs and maximize the functional use of space. By carefully shaping and organizing the form and volume, we can achieve a harmonious and visually pleasing interior that optimizes the available space. Number 6. Massing. Massing in architecture is about how the different volumes of a building are arranged and composed. As architects, we consider the size, shape, and relationships between architectural elements to create a cohesive design. By studying the massing, we can explore design options and ensure that your interior integrates seamlessly with the surrounding environment, resulting in a visually pleasing and harmonious space. Number 7. Orientation. Orientation in architecture refers to how a building is positioned in relation to its surroundings and the cardinal directions. As architect, we consider the deliberate placement of your building to optimize factors like sunlight, views, prevailing winds, and climate. By strategically orienting your space, we can enhance its functionality, minimize energy consumption, and create a comfortable environment that takes full advantage of natural elements. Number 8. Public and Private Spaces. As an architect, I would like to explain the significance of public and private spaces in the design of your project. Public spaces in architecture are accessible areas like parks and plazas designed for social interaction and community activities. Private spaces, such as homes and offices, are restricted areas tailored to individual needs, offering privacy and control over the environment. Public spaces promote community engagement, while private spaces prioritize personal activities and confidentiality. The distinction helps define the use and dynamics of a built environment, accommodating diverse needs. Number 9. Zoning. Zoning in residence architecture involves dividing a residential building into different areas for specific functions. It optimizes the functionality and comfort of a home by creating zones such as public areas for guests and private areas for residents. Number 10. Rough layout of bungalow. The rough layout of a bungalow in architecture refers to an initial design sketch that shows the basic arrangement of rooms, circulation, and key features of a bungalow-style house. This rough layout serves as a starting point for further development and refinement of the design. As architects, we use this layout as a foundation to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing interior that aligns with your preferences and needs. Number 11. Conceptual sketches 3D reference. Conceptual sketches and 3D references are visual representations used in the early stages of the design process. They help you explore and communicate design ideas, concepts, and spatial relationships. These sketches and references allow you to convey your vision and initial design thinking to you, your clients, collaborators, or yourselves. They serve as a valuable tool for visualizing and discussing design possibilities before moving forward with the actual implementation. Number 12. Site Development Plan. A site development plan in architecture is a comprehensive document that outlines the layout and organization of a building or development project within its site. It considers factors like topography, access points, utilities, landscaping, and environmental considerations. The purpose of a site development plan is to ensure that the design is seamlessly integrated with the site, functional, and compliant with regulations. As architects, we use this plan to create a space that harmonizes with the surroundings, optimizes functionality, and meets your specific needs and requirements. Number 13. Floor plans. Floor plans in architecture are graphical representations of a building's layout. They show the arrangement of rooms, walls, doors, and windows from a top-down perspective. Floor plans provide a visual understanding of the spatial organization and flow within a structure. Number 14. Material palette exterior. A material palette for the exterior in architecture refers to the selection and combination of materials used to finish the building's exterior surfaces. It includes materials, textures, colors, and finishes that create a cohesive and visually pleasing appearance. The material palette plays a crucial role in defining the architectural style, character, and overall visual impact of the structure. As architects, we consider the material palette to ensure that the exterior complements the interior design and creates a harmonious and appealing aesthetic for your house. Number 15. Elevation. In this slide, an elevation is a drawing that shows the vertical view of a building or a specific part of it. It provides a visual representation of how the building or its facade appears from a specific viewpoint, like the front, back, or sides. Elevation drawings help us understand the exterior appearance and proportions of the structure. As architects, we use elevations to ensure that the design and aesthetics of the building's exterior align with the overall interior concept. Number 16. Section with levels. A section with levels in architecture is a drawing that shows a vertical cut or slice through a building, revealing the interior space, structural elements, and relationships between different levels or floors. It helps us understand how the space is organized vertically and provides insight into the scale and layout of the structure. As architect, we use sections with levels to ensure that the interior design aligns with the overall architectural concept and optimizes the functionality and aesthetics of each level. Number 17. 3D renders. 3D renders in architecture are computer-generated images or animations that show a three-dimensional representation of a building or design. Created using specialized software, these visualizations provide a realistic and immersive depiction of the proposed design. As architects, we use 3D renders to communicate design concepts, showcase the appearance and ambience of a space, and help you make informed decisions during the design process by providing a clear and accurate visualization of the final result. Number 18. Working drawing sets. Working drawings in architecture are detailed and comprehensive drawings that provide all the information needed to construct a house. They include plans, elevations, sections, and details showing dimensions, materials, and construction methods. These drawings help communicate the design to the construction team and ensure that the building is built correctly. Here are the examples of working drawings. Example 1. Working drawings, floor plan. Example 2. Working drawings, elevations. Example 3. Working drawings, sections. Example 4. Working drawings, kitchen plan. Example 5. Working drawings, stairs. Example 6. Working drawings, electrical. Example 7. Working drawings, plumbing. Example 8. Working drawings, door window. Number 19. Block estimate. This section is where we provide our clients with an estimate of the project's cost based on the agreed upon design and furniture selections. C3 has a design block estimate for your convenience, which helps you to input all data in a quick and easy way. You can download the block estimate template from your dashboard. Thank you for watching our tutorial video on Bungalow Design Execution Package. I hope you have understood its scope of work and its deliverables. You can download the template below the video link for your record. Thank you. Sabka Mangal Ho.